Hey, what's up, Safemoon Holders? So this is the latest update of SafeMoon coin, my friends, to what's the prediction of coming days. SafeMoon is moving up or fails down, and what's the target, my friend, of SafeMoon, and what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy. Let's get started this brand video. I request you, my brother, please, I give you a guarantee, my friend, if you subscribe this channel and press bell icon, absolutely you cannot lose. So subscribe this channel, like this video, and press bell icon. I guide you every time. Alright, my friend, this time the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. You can see here the change. First of all, the update is very important. The update is that, my friend, to plus 0.3%. they're moving up in the last 1 hour. The current time, my friend, they're moving up just, and you can see here this time May 0 at 2021 15 2, my friend. This is the update, so you can see here they're moving up. So definitely, my friend, 0.009 US dollar is the latest price, my friend, of SafeMoon coin. So I think the price is very cheap, and absolutely, my friend, first of all, I want to this is just I advise you, my friend. I cannot offer you, my friend, if you want to invest in a SafeMoon, then absolutely research personally. This is very good from you, my friend. After a fails, they take a jump, my friend. This is moving at this circulation, you can see here. So this is the prediction, my friend. I hope, my friend, upcoming days they're moving up. After a fails, they take a jump. So upcoming days they move up like a rocket. So definitely, holders, I told you my opinion is that don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, they give you very good profit. So, my friend, kindly, if you want to invest in SafeMoon, then absolutely, definitely, this is good time, because I already invest this time $1,000, my friend, especially 2 days ago, my friend, in a SafeMoon, because I know to SafeMoon is moving up, and this is the viral coin all over the world, my friend, and the global market, my friend, they're moving up like a rocket, and they take a very good record, my friend. They change occur as a very positive, my friend. You can see here. So absolutely, the good time is coming soon. SafeMoon holder, please keep touch with us. I guide you every time. If you are a new holder, then definitely I guide you, my friend. If you want to more conversation with me, then absolutely the links is available. My Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook ID, every link is on the channel, my friends. So go ahead and check it out. So please like this video, subscribe this channel, and keep touch with us.